Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get the best courses related to AI things and the best website like provided by the biggest companies in the AI field like the Anthropic, the OpenAI, and the Gemini thing, Kimi, also the Alibaba, Quen, and GLMs like existing. So all you need to do is just if you want to learn the new stuff about AI and to perform and to get always in this trend, it's like immortal trend AI because it's involved in any area nowadays. So all I need to do is just go browser and then copy paste this link provided in the description, and there you go. This is the best website that I'm learning now personally in it, which is Deep Learning AI. So go for explore courses, and here guys is gonna be finding a lot of courses like provided by high tech leaders and high tech agents, courses related to anyone like in this Anthropic, and you can make any step ahead for those popular companies, the Nvidia itself, E2B, and you can just go for any course and enroll for free about everything. So you need to just get to sign in, or you can just press do it and you can open the course itself. So it's so easy guys, so simple, so smooth to enroll the courses. So that's it. I hope you like the video. It's gonna be informative. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace.